in this section, we are going to learn how to differentiate parametric equations. First of all, what is parametric equations? Parametric equations expresses the relationship between two variables, say x and y, using third variable. For example, here I have a program wherein I have the x and y expression to be cos of t and sin of t. So basically x is, say, a cos of theta and y is a sin of theta. So instead of theta, I have the letter t over there. So I've expressed x and y in terms of other variable, and there is a relationship between x and y also, right? Even x and y has certain relationship between them, and that relationship is through a third variable. So basically the relation between x and y is through a third variable, So this is the funda, right? Now let me show how this works. So if you guys would have guessed, it's a circle, right? That is nothing but your unit circle. We are looking at your unit circle. So by varying theta, so it's in radians, I'm able to go to any point. And this is a coordinate geometry. So any point x and y, we know that we learned it in trigonometry, right? Unit circle and everything. We can find any point using cos theta comma sin theta, provided theta is an angle between your x-axis and the radius connecting the center to this red dot. I hope you guys can remember all of this. So this is an example of parametric equation. Okay, again, just a single example. There are infinite possibilities. So what I'm varying over here is theta. And now here the word parameter has to be introduced. The third variable is called the parameter. So in the example, it's theta. Now we'll understand the language. A relation expressed between two variables x and y in the form of x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t is said to be parametric form with t as a parameter. Right? We just saw that. Two examples over here, we use theta, here we use t over here, right? So we have the relation expressed between two variables x and y in the form of x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t. That is, they can be different expressions, same expression, doesn't matter. It is said to be parameter form. It is said to be parametric form with t as its parameter. So this is said to be in parametric form with theta as a parameter, right? This is the language that we need to understand. Okay. So this is the introduction to parametric equations.